Level up your coding game with ChatGPT. Are you tired of spending endless hours digging through complex documentation, trying to understand the intricate details of various programming formats? Take a deep breath and relax, as you no longer need to suffer through this frustration. Whether you need JSON, XML, YAML, SQL queries, regular expressions, or shell commands, ChatGPT has got you covered. We'll show you how to use this powerful tool to generate the files you need in no time, so you can focus on what really matters, writing great code. So, get ready to sit back, relax, and let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting for you. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It is a popular language for exchanging data, especially in web applications and APIs. However, creating JSON files from scratch can be a challenging task, requiring knowledge of syntax, data structures, and more. That's where ChatGPT comes in. With the power of artificial intelligence, ChatGPT can help you quickly and easily generate JSON files for your specific needs. Let's see how we can generate a JSON file using ChatGPT. Generate a JSON file containing information about a list of books. The file should include the book title, author, publication date, and ISBN number for each book. Please format the data in a way that is easy to read and parse by other programs. You can customize this prompt as needed to fit your specific use case. Just make sure to provide enough detail about the information you want included in the JSON file and the desired format, so that ChatGPT can generate a useful response. XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. It is a markup language used for storing and exchanging data on the Internet. It is similar to HTML, but is more flexible and can be customized for specific purposes. Generating XML files from scratch can seem overwhelming, but that's where ChatGPT can help you. With ChatGPT, you can effortlessly create XML files in no time. Let's see how we can generate an XML file using AI. Please generate an XML file containing information about a list of products. The file should include the product name, price, description, and image URL for each product. Please format the data in a way that is easy to read and parse by other programs. You can customize this prompt as per your requirements to suit your particular use case. It is important to provide sufficient details regarding the information that you wish to include in the XML file, and the preferred format to ensure that ChatGPT can generate a valuable and relevant response. YAML stands for YAML Ain't Markup Language. It is a popular format for configuring and structuring data, and it's widely used in applications and systems like Kubernetes, Ansible, and more. Writing YAML files can be tricky, though, especially when dealing with complex structures and configurations. That's where ChatGPT comes in. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, we can generate YAML files quickly and easily, saving you time and effort. So let's see how to supercharge your YAML skills with this AI tool. Please generate a YAML file containing information about a list of employees. The file should include the employee's name, job title, hire date, and salary for each employee. Please format the data in a way that is easy to read and parse by other programs. You can customize this prompt as needed to fit your specific use case. Just make sure to provide enough detail about the information you want included in the YAML file. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It allows you to filter, sort, and calculate your data in ways that would be impossible with other tools. But sometimes, crafting the perfect SQL query can be a real headache. But now by using ChatGPT, you can generate SQL queries quickly and easily, saving you time and effort. Let's see how to use ChatGPT to create a SQL query. Please generate a SQL query to retrieve all of the orders that were placed between January 1st, 2023 and March 31st, 2023, for our company's online store. The query should return the customer's name, the date of the order, and the total amount of the order. Please format the data in a way that is easy to read and parse by other programs. Here you go. Your query is ready. You can customize this prompt as needed to fit your specific use case. Regular expressions are a powerful tool for searching and manipulating text. They can help you find patterns in data, extract specific information, and perform complex text transformations. But sometimes, crafting the right regular expression can be a daunting task. That's where you can use AI to generate regular expressions without any pain. Let's see how to use ChatGPT to create regular expressions. You have a list of product names, but some of them have extra white space or punctuation that needs to be removed. Write a regular expression to clean up the product names. When creating a prompt to get a regular expression, make sure to provide enough detail about the pattern or rule you want the regular expression to match, so that ChatGPT can generate the right response. Shell commands are powerful tools that can help you automate repetitive tasks, manipulate large amounts of data, and perform complex operations on your computer. But sometimes, coming up with the right command can be a challenge. Not anymore. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, you can generate shell commands in no time. Let's see how to use ChatGPT to create shell commands for a variety of tasks. You have a directory containing many subdirectories, each with various files and folders inside. Write a shell command to search for all files that have the word example in their name and move them to a new folder. Here you go, ChatGPT has created a shell command for us. Let's try another prompt. You have a large file containing a list of URLs, but some of them are broken or invalid. Write a shell command to extract only the valid URLs from the file. As you can see, by leveraging the power of this AI tool, you can generate shell commands quickly and easily, saving your time and effort. Congratulations! You've just learned how to use ChatGPT to create complex data structures and queries in various programming formats. With this amazing tool, you can now spend less time on tedious programming tasks and more time on building amazing applications. Keep practicing your skills and experimenting with ChatGPT to discover even more possibilities. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Make sure you stay updated with the latest AI tips and tricks by subscribing to our channel.